This is just a short video to supplement the one that I made on TikTok. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can get notified of any new videos that I upload. Remember to check out the link in the description of this video, as there's a very nice way of making a load of money, or possibly making a load of money for yourself on a daily basis. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so Skillshare promises to pay you $7, that's the equivalent of 110 Rand at the current exchange rate, for every person that you get to sign up to their platform, if they are a paid member or not. Before we continue, please like this video, make sure to just subscribe to this channel so you can get notified of any new videos that I upload. So, first thing we need to do is go to Skillshare.com. As you can see, they give classes on a variety of subjects such as animation, creative writing, film and video, fine art, illustrations, music, photography, the list goes on and on. We are not going to sign in or sign up. What we need to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page and click on affiliates. So you can sign up as an affiliate for free and promote this platform. As you can see, you can join for free. On the next page, simply click on the button, and be sure to check out the link in the description of this video for my favorite way of making money online. So on the next page, you'll be asked to fill in your name, your last name, your email, confirm your email address, create a username and password, some additional information such as your account display name, your country, your address, your phone number, obviously select the country area code that you're in. There's some more additional information, and then you have the full agreements which you need to agree with, and you can sign up. Happy hunting, and I hope you make your $7 or 110 Rand over and over and over again.